In 1948, in a small store in Philadelphia, Drummond Scientific first opened its doors to provide essential laboratory equipment for local research institutions. As time went on, the location changed, but the mission remains largely the same: develop essential products and solutions that create and save lives. Today, with an over 100,000 square foot facility, a vertically aligned business model, and a staff of over 100 innovators, Drummond Scientific is more focused than ever on fulfilling that mission. For over 75 years, Drummond Scientific has paved the way with revolutionary innovations, essential services, and invaluable contributions to the scientific and medical community. And with scientific and medical development becoming increasingly critical with the progression of technology, Drummond Scientific is more eager than ever to answer the call. We are passionate. We are driven. We are Drummond Scientific, where innovation scales.